In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can host your AI generated HTML project on Cpanel. So let's go and first generate a HTML project using AI. So here inside this Andreavity, I am going to give a simple prompt. I want to build a portfolio website for digital marketer using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And then I'm going to click here. So it will start creating our HTML project. So this will take some time. Right now, I'll just fast forward the video until the whole project is complete. So here you can see our project creation is complete. We have the index, script and style.css over here. So right now, let me just go to the folder location, which is basically this on HTML project. And here you can see index.html. Let me just open this. And this is how the current website looks. And it's quite solid, as you can see. So right now we want to host this website to the cPanel. And how can we do it? So for it, what we need to do is that we need to first of all zip this folder. So I'm just going to right click on this project folder, and here you will see this compressed to zip file. So I'm going to click here and it will make a zip file over here. You can see. After that, what you need to do is that you need to log in to your cPanel, and in the cPanel, you need to look for file manager. Here you can see file manager. I'm going to click here and it will take us to another page, and here you can see public underscore HTML. So we need to go inside this folder public underscore HTML. So let's go inside, and here you can see this folder is empty. So here we need to upload the zip file. So I'm going to click on upload. Then I'm going to click here, select file, and we need to select our zip file, and our zip file is over here. You can see html underscore project dot zip. So I'll select this, then click here open. So it will upload the zip file in the cPanel. So here you can see we need to go to the public underscore HTML location. So if I now just click over here, there you can see we have a zip file over here. So we need to extract this zip file. So for it, we need to right click here. Then we need to click here extract, and we are going to directly extract it inside public underscore HTML. So I'm going to click here extract file, and it will be extracted over here. Right now we can just delete the zip file from here, and here you can see we have only this folder. So let's go inside this folder, and what we need to do is that we need to select all the files from here. Then we're going to click here move to, we'll move it directly in the public underscore HTML. So just keep it like this, public underscore HTML slash, then click here move files. So it will be moved directly inside public underscore HTML. There you can see. So this folder right now is empty. So we can just delete this folder as well. So all you need to do is that we can just directly go to our domain and we'll be able to see our website. And one more thing that you need to make sure that you should have a index.html file in your project inside public underscore HTML. Okay, so here you can see our main file is inside the index.html. So if your file name is different, then you need to rename it to index.html. Okay, so there you can see our website is now live, and you can give the address to anyone and they will be able to see your website. So yeah, this is how you can host your AI generated HTML project on cPanel. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.